Hello, this video will show you on how to change the start day of the week in a shift job calendar. So here you will see that it starts on a Sunday. So it will be from Sunday to Saturday. But then for some companies, the start day might be a Monday. So you want it to be Monday to Sunday. So the very first day of the week would be Monday. So all you have to do is go to um, my dashboard and then go to settings, agency settings, and then you click on the jobs tab. And then halfway you will find, you just have to drag this here somewhere in the middle and then select start day of the week in shift job calendar, change that to Monday. There have it. Then let's go ahead and refresh that. There, it's now Monday to Sunday. All right, thank you for watching.